Hi everybody, welcome back to Everyday Crystal Magic Classroom Series. This video is part of the series of Sacred Geometry. And in this short lesson, it's really a brief introduction to the topic of Vogel crystals. If you've been following me, or if you're a person who are into crystals and you've been using crystal for many years, you're probably familiar with the concept and you have seen at least one or two real Vogel crystals. So in this video, it's just an introduction to know what they are and why they are so expensive. And before we start, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to check the links below also for other videos and the free tutorial in the website on how to make crystal grids. So let's get to this. Okay, today's lesson. What is a Vogel crystal? And the first thing that I want to mention is thank you to this viewer, Dan Topa1265, for the comment he made about Vogel crystals and giving me the idea to make this video. Thank you so much. So first, we have to know who was Marcel Vogel. He was a research scientist for IBM out of San Jose, California. During his career, he obtained over 100 patents for products in different fields. He worked on human-plant communication experiments and studying quartz crystals for therapeutic applications in the 1970s. He demonstrated that there is energy connected to thought, and that energy, if coherent, can be as powerful as a laser. So what is a Vogel crystal? Marcel Vogel designed this cut based on his visions of the Tree of Life and his research of quartz crystals. And this is the shape that inspired the final design. So in this crystal, cut in this way, and I have to clarify that what you're seeing here is basically the opposite way of how you will hold it, because you have a receiving end and it's receiving from your hand, and this other is the sending end. And this geometry or the design for the cut is interesting because this angle that we see here is the same angle as the Great Pyramid. That angle is 51 degrees, 51 minutes, 51 seconds, but it's close, really close. The transmitter is a more acute angle, and this particular cut close to 60 degrees. Another part of the design is very important, must be attuned to a specific frequency, and that is the frequency of water. If you want to buy a Vogel crystal, it's expensive because of the geometry that design those angles, the number of facets, the tuning, and the quality of the quartz crystal. If you're in the market for a Vogel crystal, you have to look for reputable, certified dealers who meet the design criteria Marcel Vogel created. And this is it. This is a brief introduction to Vogel crystals. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next one.